Good day, guys. Our topic for today is all about statistics. So, what is statistics? Statistics is a mathematical science involving collection, analysis, and interpretation of data, as well as the effective communications and presentation of result relying on data. Through applications of various tools and techniques in statistics, the raw data becomes meaningful and generate the information for decision-making purpose. So today, statistical methods are applied in most of the field that involves decision-making. For instance, making accurate inference from arranged data, evidence-based policy has been defined as an approach which helps people make well-informed decisions about policies, programs, and projects by putting the best available evidence, the heart of policy development and implementations, by Davis, 1999. So different evidence-based policies of the government are based on statistics. For instance, statistics hold a central position in fields like industry, commerce, trade, economics, biology, and astronomy, and many more. Hence, application of statistics is very wide. So, under statistics, we are going to discuss the subtopic which is measures of locations. In the measure of locations, we have sample mean, median, trim mean, and weighted mean. So, first is a sample mean. What is a sample mean? A sample mean is an average of a set of data. The sample mean can be used to calculate the central tendency, standard deviations, and the variance of a data set. The mean can be applied to a variety of uses, including calculating population's average. So the formula of a sample mean is shown. So how are we going to calculate the sample mean? By calculating the sample mean is simple as adding the numbers of item in a sample set and dividing the sum by the numbers of item in the sample test. So the example of a sample mean is shown. So ang gagawin lang natin dito is i-solve natin yung sample mean. Mag-focus lang tayo sa sample mean. So first is gagamitin natin yung formula which is i-add lang natin yung given data. Pagkatapos i-divide natin kung ilan lahat yung given data. So which is equal to 6,844.64 over 30, which is kalahatan ng buong data is 30. Then i-divide lang natin, then the answer of sample mean is approximately 228.15. So moving on, we are going to discuss about median. What is median? A median of a set data value is the middle value of the data set when it has been arranged in ascending order. That is from smallest value to the highest value. Median also used to find the middlemost data. It is used to determine a point from where 50% of data is more and 50% of data is less. So, ito yung example ng median at saka yung formula niya. So, how are we going to calculate the median? Median is calculated as where n is the number of values in the data. If the number of values is in the data set is even, then the median is the average of two middle values. So, may dalawang condition dito sa pag-solve natin sa median. Unang-una, if yung number of observation natin is odd number, so which is odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, ang hanapin lang natin is yung pinakagitna, then automatically yun na yung median natin. Then yung kalawang condition naman is if even number yung number of observation natin, yung dalawang gitna which is 2, 4, 6, 8, yun yung even numbers, which is yung dalawang gitna i-add lang natin yon, then i-divide natin sa 2. Then yun yung median natin. The third one na i-discuss natin is yung trim mean. So what is trim mean? A trim mean similar to an adjusted mean. is a method of averaging that removes a small designated percentage of the largest and smallest value before calculating them. So also, a trim mean is seen as more realistic representation of a data set, as the few erratic outliers have been removed that could otherwise potentially skew the information. A trim mean is also known as truncated mean. Example of a trim mean. So, ang example natin dito is a figure skating competitions produced the following scores: 6.0, 8.1, 8.3, 9.1, and 9.99. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, find the 10% trim mean on the given data. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is tatanggalin natin yung upper and lower limit. So, ang matitira na lang dito is 8.1 tsaka 8.1 plus 8.3 plus 9.1 divided by 3, which is tinanggalan natin ng dalawa. So, ang answer natin is 8.50, which is yun ang trim mean natin. So, last part ng discussion natin is weighted mean. What is weighted mean? Weighted mean in mathematics is used to calculate the average value of the data. In the weighted mean calculation, the average value can be calculated by providing different weights to same of the individual values. The formula of a weighted mean is shown. So how are we going to calculate the weighted mean? In calculating the weighted mean, to calculate the weighted mean of a certain data, we need to multiply the weight associated with a particular event or outcome in its associated outcomes and finally sum up all the products together. Example of weighted mean is shown. So paano natin nag-came up yung answer natin sa weighted mean? Ang ginawa lang natin dito is yung grade at saka unit natin. Units is ini times natin. So 2.25 times 2 and 2.75 times 3 and so on. Then pagkatapos noon, ini-add natin sila lahat. Then 63.25. So saan nanggaling yung 24? Nanggaling yung 24 sa units natin, the total units natin. So 63.25 divided by 24 is equal to 2.64, which is weighted mean natin is 2.64. Thank you guys for watching and sana may natutunan kayo sa i-discuss ko and sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you.